Hi friends, how is you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. Marvelous and stylish you will see attractive 40 plus unique girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art with fingering designs. I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will find hundreds of new modern unique girls nail polish designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Fabulous and attractive you will see stylish unique girls nail polish designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos, and enjoy new unique girls nail cutting designs. Today you will see in these videos very attractive modern girls nail art with fingering ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and you like this one stylish nail art ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. These are all my favorite collections. So dear viewers, I always try to bring, you will see in this videos 40 plus unique attractive girls nail polish designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos, and enjoy new unique nail art ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very attractive and very stylish modern beautiful nail polish design.